In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a container inside of another container in Card. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to create that nested look using Card's built-in tools. Start by heading to the Card website and opening your dashboard. From there, select the project you want to work on so the editor loads. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button and choose Container. This creates the outer area that will hold the layout you're about to build. With the container selected, open the Type dropdown. Instead of trying to place a container inside another container, switch the type to Columns. Card doesn't directly support nesting containers in the traditional sense, but columns inside a single container give you the same visual structure. Each column behaves like its own section within the outer container, which is perfect for grouped content, sidebars, or feature blocks. Adjust the column split to match your design. Common ratios like 50-50 or 70-30 work well for balanced layouts and sidebars. If you need more than two areas, click Add to insert another column. Keep in mind that simpler is usually better for readability, so only add as many columns as your content truly needs. When you're happy with the layout, click Done. Now you can place elements inside each column: headings, text, images, buttons, forms, whatever your page requires. You can also drag existing elements into a column to reorganize your content quickly. This is how you achieve that nested feel. The outer container defines the overall block, and the columns create the inner structure. A few tips to make it look polished. Use the container's background and padding options to clearly separate this block from the rest of your page. Subtle background colors or a light border can make the inner columns read as a contained section. Within the column settings, adjust alignment and spacing so text and images breathe evenly. If one column feels crowded, tweak the percentage split until the content sits comfortably. Remember that Card automatically stacks columns on smaller screens, so arrange your content in an order that still makes sense when viewed on mobile. Place the most important information first, and keep headings concise to avoid awkward wrapping. That's it. By combining a single container with a columns layout, you get the effect of a container inside another container while staying fully compatible with Card's responsive, streamlined editor.